Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we're going to see job opportunities for mechanical engineer, and most importantly, it's a core company and those who are willing to work in Chennai can make use of it. So name of the company is Vestas. So it's a core company and training company for most of the mechanical engineer. So those who are willing to work in Chennai can see the video and apply for this. And most importantly, freshers can apply for this job. The 2021 passed out students can apply for it. So I will be giving the link in the description. If not, also you just type Vestas India Career in Google and give a search. You can get following result. Here you have to choose jobs at Vestas. Okay, you choose jobs at Vestas, you will be directed to the official website. There you can if you keep on scrolling down means you can see an option called search jobs. So just click search jobs. So you'll be seeing various job opportunities like lead engineer in Chennai, business support consultant in Chennai. So various Chennai based jobs in Vestas are available, and whichever department you belonging to, or whichever area you belongs, I mean field of work, you just make use of it. And if you keep on scrolling down, you can see various jobs. So I'm going to directly go to the page number 7. Okay, so here I'm going to discuss only one particular job, and various jobs are available. So if the opening is suits you means, then you go for it. Just click the page number 7. Just click page number 7, you will be directed to this page. You have to choose graduate engineer training. So job location is Chennai. So they clearly mention job location is in Chennai and name of the post is graduate engineer trainee. So Vestas is the world leader in wind technology and driving force in the wind industry. And if you want to work in such a reputed company means, then try to grab the job. What they expect from you is you have to read, interrupt, and classify the engineering changes, and you have to give us technical support to the suppliers and factories on change, and you will be responsible to validate new design with the supplier and enrich the record. So qualification, most importantly, BE Mechanical Fresher 2021 batch, and you must excel and have knowledge in Excel as well as PowerPoint and report day-to-day developments. Other competencies are you need to read, understand, and communicate engineering drawing and technical specification, fluent in English, oral and written, and ability to plan and prioritize and execute it. So these are the things which they expect. So additional information is your primary workplace will be in Chennai, India. So it's very very important. So try to apply this on or before 25th December 2021. Okay, so they have clearly given the date also. So try to apply and grab the job. And bottommost you can see an icon called apply now. Okay, once you click on the icon, you will be sending your you will be uploading your curriculum vitae and attach your cover letter in whatever format they are asking. You try to upload it, and you will be giving your mail id, password, and you need to register. Okay, on you need to register and create an account. And also you need to answer few questions, that is are you a B or B Tech in graduate, and what is your CGPA. So various questions will be there. So after answering everything, at finally you will be seeing an icon called apply. So after answering, you can fill the form, and you will be directed to this page, and here you need to click apply for applying for this job. And don't miss this opportunity, and share this video to mechanical graduates and especially 2021 passed out students, so it will be very much helpful and grateful for them. Do subscribe our channel Mechanical Motivator. Stay tuned with our channel. We'll be bringing all job opportunities to your doorstep. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.